What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Monday. I just finished up this service call. It was hot up in that attic. And I wasn't going into the service call with the intention of recording any content or making a video because I have a lot saved up and just not really in the mood. But when I saw
some Flex Seal tape and Flex Seal putty, let's just say,
without further ado, today's video. How are you, sir?
Good. I'm Steve. That's
Mike.
Lily.
Hi, Lily.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good to see you.
You as well? Hi.
Lily.
Oh, you're
You
a
must
good
be a dog person.
Just don't make out. My dog's gonna get jealous.
Yeah.
All right. They tell me you have a condensate drain
Let me
leak.
show you.
It's not every day you have a homeowner on their hands and knees.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what? With
You
the
see
duct
my
tape?
tape? You see my duct tape?
Yes. That's you?
That's me. So you see the plastic hose? Do you see
Yeah.
the rubber hose?
Oh, so what's up with the pipe that's sitting right there?
I found this when I was cleaning up. It looks like this was probably it at one time.
So this is the original.
I guess
This
that's
is the
my
original
guess.
piece that was threaded into the air handler. So right now, where is it dripping from? What? Where the duct tape is?
Yeah, right on the bottom. So if you take that off, there's the whole thing.
Interesting. Is there water in that pan? Yeah. There's water in that pan. So, there's that piece. So we got real creative here. Yellow tape and mastic tape and duct tape. Oh yeah, look at that. See? The hose. The Fernco 90. Alright. So that was never utilized. So, why is there so much water in the drain pan? Let's see. Oh yeah, I ain't putting my mouth on that without cleaning it first. All right, we need a trap. Should probably do something about the drain being clogged. And we have a few choices for that. All right, can you hear me? Sir?
Yes.
Question.
Yep.
Well, not question. Let's talk about some options here.
Okay.
So we have the drain, which you wrapped some duct tape and yellow tape around. That was this.
Yeah.
This rubber thing, which failed. But I had mentioned before that there's no trap on this. And a trap is essentially a U-shape, in case you don't know what it is, it's a U-shaped pipe, looks like this.
Yep.
And it's required on...
So then we do it.
Yeah. So now the question is, now that I'm taking things apart, let me put all the cards on the table. Yeah. Number one, there's water in your emergency drain pan. Okay. When I took this apart and I cleaned it off, I blew through it, so it was kind of clogged. It could, it was kind of clogged. So was that the reason why all the water's in there? We hope so. when I'm done with this, I like to take the front cover off and make sure like the pan. Listen, the only way to really fully test this pan is taking it out. I'm not taking it out; it's retarded.
It's key for me. So you do whatever you think.
So I'm gonna take the covers off. We're gonna look inside. We're gonna make sure that's what's this. Oh, what was the yellow stuff that you put? What was this?
I don't know. I was downstairs.
Flexi Seal like putty.
Yeah, my friend has all this shit downstairs. He was a contractor, and he.
Oh my God! It is Flex Seal putty.
Tons of this stuff.
And then we could treat it. I have like the spray. Depends on what I see. I have the spray, which is drain and pan and drain treatment. It helps keep everything clean. And then there's these gel tablets, and also if the drain gets clogged, I can also put this on as well. This now you saw there's a black hole here.
Yep.
And then this thing here.
Yep.
This thing here, I'm sure was probably in there at one point. And they cut this off maybe because the drain was clogged, and then whatever. When I cut drains, right, and instead of putting in like no, forget about professional. Instead of putting in couplings, and you can tell how old the system is by how many couplings are on a system, because every time the drain line gets clogged, you cut it, you put another coupling on. So I use unions, right? But I brought everything up because I don't, why they come up here once. So if you want me to do something like this, I could do this as well. I could put that. I could put that
to do what you would do if this was your place.
There are certain things that are okay. Forget. I hear you. Let me just say, like, certain things are like overkill, and there are some people that take every precaution necessary to solve a problem, like outside hose faucets, for example.
So I don't do anything with my hands. So
okay.
I need things done where it's going to last for as long as possible.
So then I will. Let's see. Hopefully this comes out in one piece. Okay. All right, at least it's going into that. Maybe not. Okay, so what I can do, I can wire in a float switch into there. It'll probably reach, and then this will turn off the system if the water doesn't drain.
Perfect.
Okay, and then we're gonna put the trap in, and I'm gonna take a look inside there, and we'll make sure it's treated if need be.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me know if you need anything to drink.
You got it. I'm good though. All right, so there that is. Okay, so we have these bushings in here, right? 1 3/4. So we're gonna put this on there. Now, I don't like that, how it's like that. So we'll put this in there. Can I get that in there? Let's see. Let me get my tool back. I don't like this piece right here. Oh, see? Better. There comes all the water. I knew that was going to be the case. There comes all the water. See? I knew it. There comes all the water. Okay, we got plenty of towels here, so that's good. We have to. Okay, let's screw that. Okay, where is the piece? Where's my flashlight? Get over here. Okay. Now, we're gonna use this right here. I'm gonna go into there. Okay. Make that a little tight, a little snug. Okay. Be careful with this. Okay. There's that. And now that's gonna go there. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let's get the primer. This is gonna be really nice. A little bit of primer on there. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, got primer on my nails. Now, a little bit of glue. little bit of glue. Perfect. See if I can get that on there like that. Right where I want it to be. Perfect. Hold on. I want to get up with that. There we go. Perfect. Bend that back. Beautiful. Look at that. Wow. That looks epic. Okay. Beautiful. All right, that's what I did. And I'm quite happy with it, actually. There's our float switch. Okay. The inlet side of the trap. Clear trap. We're going to leave this open. I'm going to put a little pipe up here for venting. Helps the drain go down. Okay. And I have a short little nipple in there, and then new 3/4 elbow pointing down, and this was dipping down before, so now everything's slightly pitched down. So I think that looks pretty good. Let's take the cover off. Actually, let's take off this cover. All right. All right. Not looking too bad in there. Hard to get the camera in there, but not looking too shabby in there. R was going from the transformer to thermostat, so I just broke R with the float switch right there. Turn that back on, and we'll fire up, make sure she's cooling. All right, system is running. That activates. Perfect. And because we are in a unconditioned space, I don't normally wrap it, but I wanted to wrap the clear part of the trap itself, only because I noticed it was already starting to condense on it, and some sweat was forming on there, so I just wanted to get rid of that and that issue. So I wrapped it with some insulating tape. Armorflex would be probably nicer looking, but we're good. I have this open for the vent to drain outside, only because it's kind of like an S-trap here, and I don't like that. And this is fine. We're gonna let some air go in there to replace the water as it's draining down. Perfect. Get the cover back on. My Wagos are there. We're good. Solid. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed that video. If you are in the New York, Long Island metropolitan area, give me a call, 516-348-6300. We service New York, South Carolina, Florida. If you are in the Central Florida, Orlando region, give me a call at 407-375-1100. As always, save time, book online in Orlando region at orlandopipedoctor.com. And in the New York, South Carolina region, pipedoc.net. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Would love to help you if you're tired of dealing with a mediocre company that does not have the philosophy of leaving no stone unturned during each and every service call. You get what you pay for, ladies and gentlemen. Quality ain't cheap. Cheap ain't quality.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go. That's right.